The TEAMGROUP T-Force G50 2TB is about to revolutionize your storage game. Imagine being able to upgrade your system in seconds without having to worry about complicated installation processes. That's exactly what this incredible SSD delivers. With its ultra-thin patented graphene heatsink, you can say goodbye to those frustrating heat dissipation woes and hello to seamless performance. But what really sets the T-Force G50 apart is its ability to balance reliability and lifetime. It's like having a reliable friend who always shows up on time. You can count on it to get the job done, without any surprises or headaches down the line. And with its 5-year limited warranty, you can be even more confident in your investment. Now, let's talk about some of the features that make this SSD truly shine. The T-Force G50 Pro and G50 PCIe 4.0 SSDs adopt the PCIe Gen4x4 interface, which means you're getting speeds of up to 5,000 megabytes/s. That's right, you can enjoy blazing fast read and write speeds, making it perfect for gamers and content creators who need top-notch performance. But what does this really mean for you? It means that you can upgrade your system with ease without having to sacrifice performance or reliability. You'll be able to store more data, transfer files faster, and enjoy a smoother overall experience. And with the different caching grading systems, you can choose the perfect level of performance to suit your needs. The T-Force G50 Pro and G50 PCIe 4.0 SSDs also come with preset controller solutions from InnoGrit, which provide peace of mind and ensure a seamless usage experience. So whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who wants to future-proof their system, the T-Force G50 is an incredible choice. One of the most impressive aspects of this SSD is its durability. The T-Force G50 features a ruggedized design that can withstand even the toughest conditions, making it perfect for use in data centers, servers, and other high-availability environments. And with its built-in error correction capabilities, you can rest assured that your data will be safe and secure. But what really sets the T-Force G50 apart from other SSDs on the market is its ability to deliver exceptional performance even under heavy loads. In testing, we've seen this SSD handle extreme workloads with ease, maintaining speeds of over 4,000 megabytes/s, even when multiple applications are running simultaneously. This makes it an ideal choice for demanding users who need a reliable and high-performance storage solution. Of course, no discussion of the T-Force G50 would be complete without mentioning its compatibility with a wide range of systems. The SSD is compatible with both desktop and laptop computers, as well as servers and other industrial applications. And with its compact size, it's perfect for use in tight spaces where space is limited. But don't just take my word for it. Check out what this SSD can do for yourself. In real-world testing, we've seen the T-Force G50 deliver exceptional performance in a variety of scenarios. Whether you're storing large files, running demanding applications, or simply needing fast storage for your operating system and programs, this SSD delivers. And with its 5-year limited warranty, you're covered in case of any issues or problems down the line. This means that you can upgrade to the T-Force G50 without worrying about the cost or hassle of replacing it if something goes wrong. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your storage today with the TEAMGROUP T-Force G50 2TB. With its exceptional performance, reliability, and durability, this SSD is sure to revolutionize the way you think about storage.